Hey, hello there, welcome back to a weather update today. We have a lot of stuff to get into, not really a lot actually. We're going to start in the Washington Warnings map, then we're going to enter possible snow and rain that could be going through for the next 4 to 7 days. This has definitely been pretty mild. Yesterday's blizzard kind of didn't perform as well as was thought to. That's good news right there. It's right now pressure outside 984 millibars been recorded, and it's right now 985. Interesting, since we just got a new reading. Okay, apart from that, we have some stuff to talk about, and then we'll probably close it off. We're gonna start with the Washington Warnings map. There's still a lot of things to talk about though, so we're just gonna enter it right now, and we're gonna be talking about blizzard warnings issued for parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, and then wind advisories issued for Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, and Kansas. High wind warnings issued for South Dakota, Nebraska, and then Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, Wyoming, Colorado. Weather advisories issued for Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Pennsylvania, New York, Kentucky, Tennessee, Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, and then Iowa, Wisconsin, parts of maybe upper peninsula of Michigan, then also lower peninsula, and then as well for Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota. Winter storm watch is issued for parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, and New York for over 6 inches of snow, and red flag warnings issued across the U.S. for California, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Colorado. So we're gonna enter the 7-day snowfall. It's right now hour 1 at 68. Within a week from now, and we can see some higher amounts, but along the northeast we haven't seen very good, so it could be probably much lower or it could be much higher. That's just a general idea. Possible over 7 inches along mountain regions of the Appalachians, and around the widespread across where those blizzard warnings possible from 2 to 5 inches of snow. In the northeast right now, my forecast is around 3 to 8 inches. It's a pretty wide range, but could go either way right now. We haven't seen very much reliable data, and that's really challenging what's going on. Also parts of northwest, you could see some snow. Also Montana, and just in the higher elevations. We're going to take a look at the rainfall potential for the next week or so. Yeah, you can see in the northeast around 1.5 inches, maybe a couple inches, especially in the north. But definitely southwest though, you could see some rain. Right now it's pretty unknown. The Santa Ana, moderate Santa Ana winds possible, and that could stir up something. And then in the southeast, you could see a couple inches of rain. It's right now in the long term, so I wouldn't question it as reliable. This is goes out around 168 hours. The next model, the North American model, is going to go around 84, and it's probably not going to show it. It's around 2 to 4 inches of rain possible for the southeast. Pretty far out though, and tomorrow's weather update could show more or even less of that. Probably less. Could be more. Could be pretty consistent, but it's right now pretty unknown. And then apart from that, a couple quarter-inch maybe for scattered areas across the U.S. Anyways, so we're gonna enter the North American model. This only goes out 84 hours, as you can see from right there. Northeast is around and over a foot, maybe possible for scattered areas, and 7 inches wide spread. And then along the Appalachian regions is much less compared to GFS. But for the areas in the blizzard warnings, it's actually 1 to 3 inches more, maybe. It could. Right now, the northeast, you could there's a pretty good consistency in snow over in Montana, Idaho, and Wyoming. Apart from it's not very much. The northeast you could see some snow. It's gonna be more likely. The biggest threat will be within the northern Maine and Vermont, New Hampshire, and then upstate New York. It's pretty unknown right now. But NAM is definitely going more aggressive in the northeast, around 1 to 2 inches of rain for the northeast. Around coastal areas, 1.49. Then the reds showing around 2 inches. Widespread quarter inches maybe across the scattered across the U.S. So we're gonna see what. So we're gonna see what happens with the rain threat right now. Pretty interesting what's gonna happen actually. So anyways, we're gonna end it right here. See you next video, and goodbye.